Today we are unboxing a Powerbank by Shargeek. This is the Storm 2 Slim. So this is their second version of their Slim Powerbanks. This is the second version of their Storm 2 Powerbank. So this is the Slim version, which is slightly lower capacity. Couple of specs there. So USB-C output goes up to 15 volts at 3 amps. And 21 volts at 5 amps and 20 volts at 5 amps. And then USB-A output is 5 volts at 3 amp, 9 volts at 3 amp, 12 volts at 2.5 amps. Total output is 130 watts max, and it can receive up to 20 volts at 3.25 amps in. So rechargeable lithium ion battery. Airline safe, which is good to note. So let's go ahead and open the box. Nice packaging. A foam cover there. So you have a user manual here, 130 watt portable power bank. So I'll have a read of that later. And there's a few different languages in there. So, wow. Initial thoughts is this is a lot more compact than I was expecting. So I'll go ahead and pull that out there. So you have a cable in there as well. Nice yellow one. Then you have a storage / carry bag. Apart from that, that is it for what comes in the box. So you have the manual, the bank itself, a cable, and a carry bag. So very well made, nice finish. Metal end caps, or metal to touch. No, they would be metal. Do not cover, it may get hot. USB-A out at the top, USB-C in and out on the bottom. So you can see the cells there, and it's just a copy of what was on the back of the box. So we'll go ahead and press it on, see if it turns on. There we go. And there we go. Initial charge is showing, a bit hard to read, but 71%. So what we'll do is we'll plug it in. So we'll plug it into there. And then I have another power bank product here which takes up to 65 watts in. So we will see what happens. There we go. Looks like it started charging, I think. Nope. Not sure on that one. Let's plug it into a phone. See if that works. There we go. That one is charging. So it's charging up at 15 watts, 18 watts. This is a phone that can take up to 25 watts. So we're at 20, or maybe it's 30 watts. So yeah, it's pretty cool to see the display, and you can get an idea for what the product is like. So I'll leave it at that for this video, and I'll put an update in the comments maybe after a month, see how it's going. Thanks.